Groovy Space here, and today we are in Cranbourne, Victoria 3977. We got a ground floor unit, indoor, and you park your car at the end of this corridor, and it's the fifth unit on the right side here, on my right. The size of this unit is 3 meter wide, 3 meter deep, and 3 meter high. Okay. We got a 2-door side by side whirlpool. Looking at it, should be about between 5 to 600 liter fridge. No, this is not tested. Nothing is tested here. There's no warranty or guarantee. Got an Xbox here, and this is a top loader, Fisher and Paykel. We got a dryer here. Okay. Baby car seat. And estimate about 5 mattresses, I think, if I can count earlier. Oh, 6 already. There's one more here. Bicycle, chairs, looks like dining chairs. We got 2 sets of couch. There's one in appears to be PVC, and then we got a beige one which looks like it's a chassis here. I think there's a cat. It's for a cat stand, play stand. Coffee table here. We got small knickknacks, kid stuff, fishing rods. Skateboard. Must be part of the back panel of the car up there. One of the dining chairs here. Note the condition, please, so you know what you're getting at. Once again, this is in Cranbourne, Victoria 3977, and there's a $250 cash deposit. Once sold, everything to be removed, nothing to be left behind. Once you clear the unit, we will refund you back the $250 cash deposit once you empty the unit. Again, nothing is tested, and there's no warranty or guarantee. Thank you for watching.